What's up, Lash Fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be demoing for you how to make handmade fans using easy fan lashes versus regular volume trays, and it really is preference. Both lashes create great fans. It's technique, it's skill level. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, how you can also do it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you join our Lash Fam because we have a ton of videos, great content, business and lash related. I also just dropped my business coaching program. So if you are an entrepreneur and you're ready to scale your business into 7 figures, please join the business coaching. It is a great program. You learn how to build, scale, and continue growth in your business. I've learned so much over the years building my brand into a 7-figure brand, so I'm now just teaching all of you guys how to do it as well. So I'll leave all that in the description down below, but let's jump into the video. Make sure you guys go have your lashes out, make sure you're ready to learn, and let's go. Okay guys, so this is our regular volume tray, and these are our easy fan lash trays. So you can see the difference in the two as far as like depth goes. Our easy fan lashes are double layered, so they give a more dense, dark look. Now our regular trays are also, super dark. Just the difference between easy fan and regular tray volume lashes is that easy fans are usually double layered, so and that's just part of the production process and how they make them easy fan. So these are the easy fans, and these are literally one of our best sellers when it comes to lashes because they're so consistent, they're dark, they're dense, they have a strong curl, and they're just literally the easiest to work with. And there's like no glue at the base, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. But let's demo, let's do this. So I'm gonna start the demo and I'm gonna show you with easy fans, and I'm gonna show you the technique that I use, and I've shown this in so many of my videos, you guys, but I'm gonna show you just how to do easy fan, my technique, what I recommend, all that good stuff, and then I'm gonna move over and show you guys my technique, how I make my fans using traditional lashes. Okay guys, so fun fact, when I am actually making easy fan or using easy fan trays, I like to use our 35-degree tweezer or a 45-degree tweezer. It's just preference. And tweezers are totally your preference. So play with tweezers and find out which one is best for you. Okay, so we are going to grab our easy fans and we're going to pull towards us. Great thing about easy fans is, of course, your base is already bonded together, so you don't have to worry about anything. You're going to drop the base below this line just a little bit and then take the tip of the tweezer and you're just gonna glide your lash open. And honestly, you guys, these lashes fan like butter. So there's not a lot of effort that has to go into making these fans with easy fans. I do recommend though still placing it on the strip and fanning it out instead of just grabbing it and going. Once you've created the fan to your liking, and again guys, it's just like an easy little glide open, you're just gonna go ahead, come behind it, make sure you have great pressure on your tweezer if you need to, and then just pick it up. And you can see here, like the base is already pretty snatched. You really don't have to do anything different. You can pinch if you'd like to, but definitely not necessary. Okay, so let's do that one more time. You're just gonna come in, grab as many as you would like, pull towards you, drop back on the strip, use the very tip of your tweezer and just glide open those fans. It's so easy, so effortless. Get it exactly where you want it to be and then just come behind it, pick it up. And again, if you feel like you need to pinch, go ahead and pinch and make your base a little bit smaller, but you really don't need to. And here I'm gonna do like a bigger one so you guys can see that my base is going to be too thick. So there's 2 things you can do here. If you're a really good pincher, you can pinch this base to make it perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Or if you don't want it that big, you can just pull hairs off from the sides. But let's pick this up. My base is too thick. So I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna drop into my fingers, and I'm gonna pinch my base. And I'm gonna pull this back hair off, and I'm just going to pinch. So now you can see I have a smaller base and I can go ahead and use this fan. So, okay guys, I'm now gonna show you a demo using our regular volume tray lashes. And actually, fun fact, I like to use our micro grip boot tweezer when I'm using this, or when I'm using traditional volume lashes, because if you guys can see inside this tweezer, it is literally micro gripped. It makes it so that you pick up every single hair every single time. It's not gonna affect your fan. There's like the slightest touch to closing this tweezer. I recommend these to everybody because they're truly the holy grail of tweezers, and they're just a must-have in your cart. So check these out, grab one if you can, because they're not going to disappoint. And honestly, your tools are your biggest and best friend. So take full advantage of it and really invest in some good tweezers. These are one of them. Let's jump into the demo. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna show you guys how amazing these tweezers are, because I can't not. So I'm gonna pick up some hairs here. I'm gonna make sure it's a good amount so you guys get a good feel for this. And I'm just gonna pull them off. And you guys, they come off perfectly. I barely have any pressure in these tweezers. Every single hair is in the same position it was when I picked it up, and it's just the best. So I'm gonna show you guys a technique here, the pinch method, which I'm sure you've heard of. There's two techniques I really like, the pinch and fanning on the strip. So let me show you both. Here I have a good amount, and so I'm gonna show you guys the pinch method here. So we're gonna drop my hairs into my fingers, and you're just gonna slightly release pressure from your tweezer, and you're going to push the base together and create your fan that way. And then you'll dip into your glue and bond that base together. Just like so. And then you would place it onto your client's natural lash. And so this is the pinch method. Okay, so the next technique is fanning on the strips. You're gonna pick up as many hairs as you would like. And then you're gonna drop it back down on the strip. And you're gonna take the tip of your tweezer, and you're gonna do the same thing that we did with the easy fans. You're just gonna fan open your lash, get it to exactly where you want it to be. And if you use the tip of the tweezer, it really glides that fan open. And this is fanning on the strip. It's one of my favorites, so consistent. And then all you're gonna do is come behind it and pick it up, and your fan base will close, and then you just glue it, of course. Make sure you get enough on there, and then bond that. I recommend practicing both of them. It's always great to know how to do both. Let's do that one more time. So go ahead and pick up, drop it onto the strip, and then use the tip of your tweezer and fan open your lash until it's up to your standard, and then go ahead and just pick it up off the strip. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys, again, subscribe, like, share the video if it was helpful for you. Check out the products. I've been mastering this product line for 3 years now, and it's just growing and growing because you guys are loving it, so thank you so much. Down in the description, I'm gonna leave the products that I used and also a little discount code so you guys can try them out. And if you do try them out, please let me know how you like them. And I just love you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm happy to be back. Check out the business coaching program if you are interested in growing your business, scaling your business, becoming a true CEO and boss. And you're gonna have a mentor to walk you through exactly how to do it. So there's no questions, there's no fear, there's no concerns, you're just set. So I love you guys, and we'll be back with more videos.